Oh God.
She's sick today.
I'm always sick.
Welcome to the Vlog About Nothing, episode
13.
13? Okay, episode 13. And I'm going to turn the camera around and let you guess what we're about to do. You ready?
I'm not gonna like this.
See what that thing is? We're going up there. Vlog About Nothing, episode 13. Say something cool. Okay, so wait, we're going up on a cable car. We're going up on a cable car. There's some crying babies and a lot of loudness in the background. So I will get off this thing once we get. I guess he never seen vloggers before. We're going up. Alright, we'll hit you when we get something because I gotta get off this thing. They're looking at us funny. It's the best peace sign ever. Alright. What vlogs? This is 13? This is 13? Rennie, this is 13? Okay. This is the Vlog About Nothing, episode 13. And we had a few of them in the house. I think we had a snow day in the house. We had a Monopoly day in the house. But the majority of these have been outside. So I'm getting ready to turn this camera around and let you see what I can see. What they call I spy with my eye? Watch this. Wait for it. Bruh. This is unbelievable.
Oh wow, that's
Never looked through these. Wanna know the cool part? Not that I get to see it.
We're not even halfway up.
We're not, but Rennie gets to see this. Look at that. We're not even halfway up, but look at this.
Imagine what's gonna be like at the very top.
Yeah, we gotta keep going up, but this is unbelievable.
Let me call my mama back.
Bruh, in my vlog, calm back on the mountain. Okay, we gotta go, because she about to call.
And they got like roller coasters.
Hold on, take your time. Okay, wait.
What was that lady just saying?
She's taking pictures.
They gotta walk.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. If I drop my camera in the middle of this, okay, wait. So we really, it's almost like every week. Not every 2 weeks or so.
Every week and a half.
Every 10 days or so we're in some form of foliage or some type of demonstration.
Foliage, not foliage.
Foliage? No, it's foliage.
Foliage.
So hold on.
Oh, God.
Whoa, hold on, wait. Oh, don't fall. All right, turn around.
Let's get, all right, we're on.
All right, we back. We'll try to see the nature. Don't drop my camera. Listen.
Well, this time you can't fall as fast. You can't, like, die.
Okay, you might break your leg. Okay.
No, it's about if you, like, fall first, you can just have that.
Bruh. So, bruh! Okay, let me say this.
What's up?
All right, so I say this almost every vlog. Please, especially if you have kids, take them outside. You don't have to climb mountains or go to trails and hike and whatever, all that.
Or do what we do, or be extra like
Yeah, you don't have to be extra like us. Go do something. Take a walk. Go to a park. Go to the park. Put the damn kids on the swing. Walk the dog.
That's 25.
Oh, sorry. Walk the dog. Oh, okay. I need to put the camera down. I don't want to fall. Oh, look down there.
Oh no.
Look down there. Look down. I'm putting this camera down. I'm putting this camera down.
Ma, don't.
I'll get back on when we get to the next view spot. Okay. Whoa, whoa. Okay, gotta go.
Stop.
Somebody's playing a little Uzi Vert. Look at that. They probably got all kind of saber-tooth bobcats out there. Mountain.
Goats.
Nah, mountain.
Lions.
Mountain lions. Jaguars.
Oh, dude.
I'm gonna lay on the ground when we get up to the top.
Please don't.
Climbing mountains look good when you get to the top, see the views. But climbing them,
I hate it. I'm not coming back.
Ain't the answer.
I'm not coming back.
Views look great. Going up.
Our limits today.
Ain't the answer. We almost to the top. Oh, look at that. She got some energy. Look at that.
I just want to go home.
Look at that. Almost to the top. See these views. You make it? We almost there. You hear that? You hear that? Rock garden this way? Thanks, buddy. I'm almost there. I hear it. I hear it. I hear it. I'm leaving everybody. Damn that. There she go. I'm like in front of everybody. But I hear the waterfall. I hear the waterfall.
Yeah.
I hear it.
We all hear it. Slow down.
Oh,
Slow down.
I've never seen a real like waterfall in real life. Like a big one. Like a big one?
No.
Not like no baby like
Niagara Falls?
I mean, it's not as big as Niagara Falls, but alright, I'm gone. Look at it. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and lakes that you used to. Look at that. I'm mad I can't make this is unbelievable. Come on, Sherelle. This is amazing. There's no way I'm going to be able to keep this vlog under 8 minutes. We still got 2 more things to see. This is amazing. A vlog about nothing. Look at that. So you gonna tell me that ain't better than Netflix? You gonna tell me that ain't better than what I say last week? Hulu. You gonna tell me that? You gonna tell? Hey, it's a lot of life out here to live, champ. Please go live it. Life is more than double clicks and likes and retweets and refollows and all that. Look at that. A vlog about nothing. Alright, I'm done. Oh, don't flip. I'm done. This is 13, episode 13, vlog about nothing. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and lakes that you used to. Gotta go.